we have to share some things
Some
about what happened.
very sad things.
So as you know, we haven't posted that many videos lately, and we are really sorry. And we kind of left you on a cliffhanger about Squirmson, but something very tragic happened, and we were very emotional.
That's what happened. So we found Squirmson, and he was just a little green squirmy, and we put him in a hut at school,
Which you saw.
Yeah, to see if he would come back the next day. And when we came back, he was gone. He escaped. And so today, it was a fateful day. I was in Bible class, and we went outside, and I found a caterpillar, which was definitely in Squirmson's family. So, you know, we packaged him up, gave him some air, made sure he was okay, and brought him to our kayaking class. And
I can't even.
our teacher threw Squirmson XL in the water.
She's a murderer.
It's fine. No big deal. And that's our
Anyway,
update on Squirmson.
So that's why we haven't been posting very frequently, but we'll try to get back on it, even though it's gonna be tough.
And now we're going to present you with a video of us biking and getting our yoga on.
And because we really had to boost our spirits after the tragic day.
So here you go.
So we're just on our bike trail. We found this trail. It said it's closed, but we decided to flip the sign. So,
Well,
that would
we're
be-
walking through. It's very beautiful. It's a botanic garden.
yeah, it's like a bunch of.
There's a
really
greenhouse.
interesting- Oh.
There's a greenhouse.
Yeah,
It's very peaceful here.
just.
As a yoga guru, we definitely do
There's
yoga.
lots of very like cool planties.
Instagram artsy pictures, you know,
Yeah.
included down here.
I think we're about to head out. Oh, look at that huge. Oh, my God. Almost ran into the restrooms.
You know, look how peaceful this is.
It really is peaceful.
We might have to switch the sign back in case others decide to travel here.
Yeah, so we got here and it was like closed, but we really wanted to go in.
Because we did a terribly long
We
bike
did this like hike. Well, it wasn't really a hike, but it was like uphill
It was
death.
like a 4-minute bike ride, but it was all uphill.
It really hurt the hammies.
Oh, cute baby. Of course, they're not as
some
professional
more
as
bikers.
us riding.
So getting up to the sign pretty
we might want to
soon
switch
here.
it on these people.
Okay, so let's just let this family of
My
bikers
head looks really
go by.
round.
So,
Right now.
some lady just came by, but that's okay. Okay, Marge.